this video, I will show you how to get your DoorDash account reactivated. So if your DoorDash account has been deactivated, you can attempt to reactivate it by following these steps. And there are actually 4 steps that you can do to reactivate it. And the first thing is to contact the DoorDash support. And I would say that this is the most effective way to solve issues, because then you will have direct contact with someone from the customer support, and this person will be able to do things that you cannot do on your own. So this person can look individually to your account, and then this person can see what is wrong with your account, and then can tell you exactly what you need to do to reactivate your account. So I would start with this as your first point. And from there, you can also try in step 2 to make sure that your identity is verified in your account. So be sure that you have your full name, email address, and your phone number associated with the account, just to reassure that your account is set up the correct way. Step 3 is address any issues, and you can resolve any outstanding problems that may have led to the deactivation, such as updating payment information or addressing policy violations. So you can just address these issues as well when you're contacting DoorDash support. So you can just ask if you have any issues or created any issues with using your account. And step 4 is the follow-up step. You can maintain communication with DoorDash support to monitor the status of your reactivation request. So summarized, contacting DoorDash support is the most important and convenient way to solve your issues with your account, and actually the only way to get your DoorDash account reactivated. So be sure that you follow all these steps, and then you will probably be able to get your account reactivated. And if not, this will also be told to you. And if it is not possible due to certain circumstances, then the person from the DoorDash support will also be able to tell you if this is the case. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.